In this video, I'll show you how to create a Livestorm webinar landing page quickly and easily. Whether you're hosting your first webinar or optimizing your landing page for better conversions, I'll walk you through all the essential steps. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a special bonus that will help you get started with Livestorm at no cost. First off, Livestorm is a powerful platform for hosting live and on-demand webinars, and it offers a variety of customization options, especially when it comes to creating your webinar landing page. Setting up a well-designed and effective landing page can significantly impact your registration rates, so it's essential to get it right. To start, log into your Livestorm dashboard. From the main screen, click on the Create Webinar button. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to enter key details like the webinar name, date, and time. But we're focusing on the landing page today, so let's move ahead. Once you've entered your basic webinar information, you'll come to the landing page editor. This is where you can make your page look exactly how you want it, and it's incredibly user-friendly. You can choose from several pre-built templates that Livestorm provides, or you can start from scratch if you want complete creative control. A key point here is to make sure your landing page is clear and concise. Your title should highlight the value of the webinar in a way that grabs attention. If it's a training session, be specific about the skills your attendees will gain. If it's a product launch or a Q&A session, make that clear. The idea is to convey the main benefit right from the start. You'll also want to add a compelling description. This is where you can dive deeper into what participants can expect. For example, you can mention that they'll learn X, Y, and Z and explain why this webinar is a must attend. Don't make it too long, but definitely cover the important points to get potential attendees excited. Next, Livestorm allows you to customize the registration form, which is a key part of any webinar landing page. You can choose which fields to include, like the name, email address, and job title. But here's a tip. The shorter the form, the higher your registration rates tend to be. So, only ask for the information that's absolutely necessary. Once you've got your text and form set up, it's time to think about branding. Livestorm allows you to upload your own logo and use custom colors, which ensures that your landing page aligns with your overall branding. Consistency is important, especially if you want to create a professional look that instills trust in your attendees. If you're using any social proof, like testimonials, past success stories, or industry recognition, now is the time to add that too. It can help increase conversions by showcasing the value your webinars have provided to past attendees. Plus, adding any visuals or videos is another great way to keep people engaged. Don't forget the call to action, or CTA. This is the final step that leads people to sign up. Keep it clear and action-oriented. Phrases like register now or save your spot are simple and effective ways to encourage people to take the next step. Make sure it stands out on the page and is placed prominently so people can't miss it. Before you publish, it's always a good idea to preview the landing page to see how it looks across different devices, especially mobile. Livestorm is mobile responsive, but it's always good practice to check, as many users will access your page from their phones. And once everything looks good, click on the Publish button. You can now share the link to your landing page on social media, via email, or embed it on your website. At the end of this process, I want to remind you that Livestorm offers a powerful set of features to enhance your webinars, and the landing page is just one part of that. You can track registrants, send reminders, and even engage with participants during the event. I mentioned earlier that you can use Livestorm for free. If you're interested in getting started, check out the first link in the description below. Not only will you get access to a free trial, but I've also arranged an exclusive extended free trial to help you get the most out of the platform. So, don't miss out on this chance to create stunning webinar landing pages and boost your webinar success.